Lake Wanasink Lake is a very popular place in the summer.
Wait for me!
And on a really hot day, George's little legs couldn't get him to the end of the dock fast enough.
Oh, there! We have a saying on the dock, son. Look before you leap.
Huh? Hey, what happened to all the water?
Well, the dry spells lowered the lake quite a bit, don't you know? Not a good time to dive off the dock, but a great time to waterproof it.
That sounds like a big job. Do you want a hand?
Well, if you're offering, I'm sure not saying no.
If the water was gone, where were the fish?
I don't know where they are. Oh, yeah. Mr. Yellowpants, we have to go find the fish.
Okie doke. Be a good little monkey. And girl.
We found them. Hiya, fish. Huh? What's he doing here? Look at that, George. He's so lonely. We have to save him. Oh, you're right. We should move him to the big lake so he can be with his family.
Honey, Sally just cracked a tooth and I have to take her to the vet. You want to come?
Sorry, I'm in the middle of rescuing a fish.
Oh, well, I don't think Sally can wait.
All right. Well, I'll come back as soon as I can. Bye.
For some reason, the lonely little fish didn't want to be rescued by a monkey.
Smooth strokes, you see. Nice and thick, so's the water can't get in.
Looks simple enough.
Good. Fill your bucket, and you can start over there.
Where's my bucket?
Well, you forgot where you put it already?
That's odd.
This fish wanted nothing to do with monkeys or buckets. If only there wasn't so much dirt, the fish could swim to the big lake all by himself.
All done.
Excellent. Hand me the shovel, and I'll dig out this one.
Oh, boy.
Oh, don't tell me you lost the shovel.
It couldn't have walked away.
Well, that's for sure.
Oh, it wouldn't be long now. As soon as the path was finished, the fish could swim back home. He did it. No more fish could get swept through. If George was willing to sit there for the rest of his life. George needed something to stop that water fast.
The wacky wave pool? I know. It doesn't look very wacky or wavy. Okay, I'll try it. Ooh, nice and cool. Number 3, nothing with big waves. Neptune's castle. No big drops. No bumpy boats. Right, and no big waves. At least I can't see any. This might be the one, George. Oh no! Who on earth would create such a thing? It's like a car wash for people. This one falls into category 2, things that spray. I think my face will get splashed by everything here, except that boring octopus ride. Maybe we should just go home. I guess that must be the easy river? You're right. It doesn't seem to have big drops, sprays, or waves. I don't know. It's called the Easy River, but I bet it becomes the Queasy River. But you know what? It's so hot. I think I'll try it. I guess a teeny tiny bit wouldn't be so bad. That is nice. Quick, paddle to the left! Oh no, here we go! What? What is it? Okay, you can put your hands back now. That was amazing!
Swimming with a dolphin is fun. Even if a dolphin swam a lot faster than you.
Wow!
it underwater. Take a deep breath.
George and Marco were surprised how long the dolphin could hold his breath. The dolphin also made way cooler air bubbles.
Oh, I dropped my mask. Gracias.
See, boys, dolphins are excellent at finding things. Did you hear those sounds they were making underwater? He's using his sonar. The sounds bounce off the mask and tell him where to find it.
See you later. Hey, can't we just walk back? I thought you could touch the bottom.
We could, but the tide has been coming in while we've been playing, so now we can't.
Hey, who moved the house?
The tide. I mean, the house didn't move. We did. The tide carried us down the shore while we were swimming.
George, if the water's this deep, then where's our buried treasure?
What are you guys looking for?
We couldn't find any treasure, so we buried our own. Only now it's underwater.
Well, the good news is the tide will be out again in about 6 hours. I bet we'll find it then.
Look, George! Our treasure chest!
The buried treasure wasn't buried anymore. Something had dug it up and moved it.
Oh, George, the tide doesn't just bring sand in, it takes it out, too.
That explains how the box got dug up. But how did it get over here? Then he remembered. The tide had carried them down the beach, so it must have carried their treasure chest, too.
Oh no, our treasure. It's gone.
Well, I'm sure it's around here somewhere.
George was sad about his toys, but Marco had lost his favorite thing, his silver wolf. George had to find it. If the tide had carried them and the box down shore, maybe it had carried Silver Wolf even further down. They'd never be able to find Silver Wolf way out there. But they had a friend who could. Marco now had two treasures, Silver Wolf and a brand new friend.
Adios! Thank you, amigo!
The wave didn't knock over those rafts. All the dog rafts had one thing in common. they all had pool noodles. And he knew just where to find one.
Is that better, boy?
One noodle was too small for a wiener dog. But two noodles would make a nice-sized raft. Now he just needed the ends to stick together. George didn't want the noodles to flop open again. The raft needed a floor for Hundley to sit on. Nothing in the bag would work as a raft floor. But the bag itself would. If he attached the bag to the noodle, Hundley could sit on top of it. Hundley wasn't sure if he was more nervous about the water or the raft. George had to show Hundley his famous monkey cannonball. George didn't want to lose Hundley again. But he did want to do another cannonball. How could he get the raft to stay put while he did?
Whoa! Hold on, girl. Almost there.
Hundley's leash would keep him from floating away from George. What was George doing? Hundley didn't want to be lost at sea. Even a monkey comes up with a good idea once in a while.